morning, ma'am. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. It's our pleasure to be here and conduct this important interview. Today, we will discuss the ethical challenges faced by your enterprise in its daily operations, the strategies your company employs to maintain high ethical standards, how you enhance the professional development of your staff, your enterprise's involvement in community engagement and social responsibility, and lastly, how you manage stress and time within the organization. So let's start the interview po, ma'am. First question po is, can you describe a specific instance where your organization faced an ethical dilemma and how it was resolved?
Tungkol sa mga tao, mga yung maraming orders, yung nagka kasi yung nauna nag-order, yung huli nag-order, kung nag-handle.
Next po is, what systems or processes do you have in place to identify and address ethical challenges as they arise?
Hindi, ano mo na lang, analyze mo na lang kung ano yung dapat gawin para sa customer din, na hindi sila magalit.
How do you ensure that your staff adheres to the restaurant's code of ethics, especially during busy hours when stress levels are high?
Ano lang, busy lang. Hindi lang, huwag na sila stress. Para kung ano yung flow lang ng order, yun lang.
How do you encourage your employees to speak up or share if they see something that goes against the business or establishment's ethical standards?
Ano naman din, bali, open naman kami kung ano yung dapat na ipabuhin pa sa aming business at kung ano pa yung dapat i-maintain para sa success.
How do you address concerns or reports about unethical behavior from employees?
Pinagsasabihan kung ano yung hindi niya dapat gawin.
What measures do you take to ensure transparency in your operations and decision-making processes?
Kasi aside kasi sa decision making yung kapag hindi ko kaya i-solve, dyan naman yung aking asawa. Siyang final judge.
How do you handle situations if a customer's request conflicts with your ethical standards?
I-analyze ko po kung ano po yung dapat na magandang gagawin na okay sa amin at okay din po sa kanya.
Last po is, dito po sa part ng ethical challenges po is, how do you evaluate the effectiveness of your ethical policies and practices?
Ano naman yun, basta yung sa amin dito sa shop, kung ano yung mas nakakabuti at walang harm sa pabuti sa ako, pwede na sa amin.
Tayo dun sa strategies po na ina-employ nyo para po ma-maintain po yung mga high ethical standards po ng enterprise. So, unang question po is, what specific policies or practices does your organization implement to ensure ethical behavior among employees?
Ang dito lang sa foods, dapat sila, naka-hairnet, yung okay yung kanilang pananamit, yung hindi nakaka-off sa mga customer.
So, sunod naman po is, how does your leadership team model ethical behavior for the rest of the organization?
Ano lang, maging pala kaibigan sa staff mo, kung problema, i-solve.
What specific strategies does your restaurant employ to maintain high ethical standards in food preparation and service?
Ano lang, kasi may standard ng sa pagka-toppings, dapat yun ang masusunod, tapos yung sa sanitary, dapat malinis.
So, what role does customer feedback play in maintaining and improving your ethical standards?
Ayun sa customer namin. Wala naman, kasi kung mga request lang naman nila ang bibigyan namin yun.
How do you address ethical dilemmas related to supplier relationships and sourcing of ingredients?
Sa supplier namin. Kasi yung itong Lilas, doon kami nakuha sa kanilang warehouse. Parang doon galing ang aming lahat ng ingredients. Kung hindi pwedeng bumili sa labas. Dapat doon talaga.
So, sa professional development approaches for staff naman po, how does your organization support the continuous professional development of its employees? For example po, meron po ba kayong mga seminars, training, counseling,
Ano na po, training.
may training?
Po.
So, what kind of professional development programs does your restaurant offer to help the staff improve their skills and stay current with the industry trends?
Yun lang po, training, tapos kapag nagawa yung, tingin-tingin sila kung ano ba dapat gawin sa pagkagawa din sa loob.
So, what incentives do you offer to encourage staff participation in professional development programs?
Sa kapag mga sales na madami, yun dapat bibigyan sila ng bonus.
So, what role does mentorship play in professional development of your employees?
Bonus sa development. Basta ano lang sila, dapat malinis lang. Tapos, i-maintain lang nila yung gandang pagkano sa customer, pag-estima.
Dito naman po sa community engagement and social responsibility. In what ways does your organization engage with the local community to address social issues?
Kasi dito sa community, bawat kasi dito yung isang katapon ng basura, dapat may isang lugar talaga na doon dapat.
Can you discuss a recent initiative your company has undertaken to contribute to social responsibility? Ano po yung nagawa niyo na pong makipag-collaborate po?
Sa dito.
Apo.
Ano lang, yung seminar lang sa mga dole. Ganun na-attend mo.
How do you measure the impact of your community engagement and social responsibility initiatives?
Okay naman, dahil doon namin nalalaman kung ano yung mga ng mga employees, yung kanilang privilege. Ganun.
What partnership have you formed with local organizations to enhance your community engagement efforts?
Bali kung ano yung nasa batas nila dito kasi kada lugar iba-iba yung mga rules. Sa San Vicente, iba rin dito, sa Camilo, iba rin. Kung ano yung nila sa barangay, yung sinusunod lang.
How do you involve your employees in community engagement and social responsibility activities?
Sa employees, yun din, sa paglilinis dito, hindi pwedeng kung saan natapon ng basura. Dapat na sa pinaan din, hindi pwedeng kung saan lang.
Dito naman po sa stress and time management, what time management practices do you use and think after are effective for your business?
Ano lang, yung oras kasi namin dito, 10 to sa employees, 10 to 6. Pero kami yung hanggang namin. Hindi sila pa ulo na lang namin sila off na.
How do you prioritize tasks? Apo.
Bali, kung ano yung ng customer, yung first talaga namin yung ng customer, syempre para pag satisfy yung customer sa iyong product at sa iyong service, pabalik-balik na nila dito.
How do you handle the situation if your staff is late?
Ay, hindi naman ako sa oras. Stricto kasi sa umaga, dinis-dinis pa yan. Hindi kahit maliit na okay na. Pero kung after na sila kami busy, customer, pero okay na.
How do you handle overlapping deadlines and competing priorities in business operations?
Nag-uusap lang kami kung ano yung dapat para sa aming store.
Can you share an example of time management challenge you face in business and how you overcome it?
Minsan kasi siya sa oras, may mga customer na maaga, mga order. Hindi, binibigay namin sa ibang branch, gusto nila dun sa ibang, ano, kasi dito open namin 10. Dito sa San Vicente maaga, sa tawiran niya. Dito sa nila gusto.
How do you support your staff in managing time effectively and dealing with stress given the fast-paced nature of the restaurant industry?
Wala naman kasi, pag busy time naman, dito naman kami mag-asawa na natulong, hindi naman siya lang lahat, pati yung anak namin, para hindi kami katulungan ka.
How do you train your staff to manage their time effectively during peak hours to ensure both efficiency and quality service?
Ano lang, hindi naman yung sasaan ng customer palagi yan. Ano lang, minsan pagbuhat sa Pasko lang, New Year, yun yung talagang yung maraming orders. Pero sure kung ganitong okay naman na, handle naman namin yung ganong mga bookings sa ngayon.
How do you ensure the rest breaks and time off are effectively managed for staff well-being?
Kami na, dito kasi wala kang yung break time. Kung wala lang customer, di pahinga ka, magka-cellphone. Depende sa customer.
How do you handle unexpected disruption to the schedule such as staff absences or sudden changes in demand?
Yung absent. Yun yung pag wala yung yung anak ko ang pinupunta mga natulog rin.
What strategies do you use to prevent burnout among your staff?
Ano lang, basta ayaw ko lang kasi yung absent. Gusto yung minsan sa isang linggo, yung tatlo. Dapat araw-araw pinapasok kasi nabigyan ko naman sila ng linggo.
Yun na po yung aming interview. Thank you po for the cooperation na nabibigay nyo and we appreciate po yung pagsagot po sa amin.
Thank you
Thank you.
po.